Welcome back to Classmates Spell Bee 2014, presented by Classmate, powered by the Times of India. This is an initiative by Radio Mirchi. So without any further ado, let's continue our crucial round 3. It is now your turn to spell again, Anika, for 10 points. That word is emphysema.
Can I have the meaning, please?
A medical condition in which the air sacs of the lungs are damaged, enlarged, causing breathlessness.
Can I have its language of origin?
It is Latin from Greek.
And its usage in a sentence?
Anshul started panting and coughing when his emphysema attacks began playing up on the train.
E-M-P-H-Y-S-E-M-A.
Absolutely spot on! You're not making any errors here. You have 35 points. Bhargavi, you have 10 points. To take your total to 20, you would have to spell this word correctly. Good luck. That word is falciparum.
May I have its definition, please?
The most severe form of malaria.
P-H-A-L-S-Y-P-E-R-U-M.
I'm afraid the word passes. It's incorrect.
Can I
Anika?
have its language of origin?
Latin.
Its usage in a sentence?
The gargantuan mosquitoes at summer camp landed me in hospital for a month with falciparum.
F-A-L-C-I-P-E-R-U-M.
Just one letter off. Classmates, do you know what letter that was?
E should be A.
That is right. E should be A, F-A-L-C-I-P-A-R-U-M, which means we cannot give you bonus points for that. We move on to our fourth cycle of words. Anika, if you spell this word correctly, you'll be declared today's winner. Your word to spell is phosphorus.
Phosphorus.
That is right.
Can I have its meaning, please?
To emit light or radiation without combustion or perceptible heat.
Its origin?
It is of Greek origin, phosphorus.
P-H-O-S P-H-O-R-E-S-C-E.
And you've won! You have won round 3 and have made it to the finals of the 2014 Spell Bee India. Well done! How do you feel?
I can't believe it.
You can't believe it?
No.
Well, you've done it, so believe it. Bhargavi, you played so well right up until the end. I know that those were some really difficult words, and unfortunately, it's a competition where it comes down to those few words, and it's just a mistake here and there. So we're really sorry that we have to say goodbye to you at this stage, but it was wonderful to have you on the stage with us again. Thank you so much for being with us today. Our winner today is Anaga Sethuraman from Maharishi Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School from Chennai. Congratulations. Many congratulations. Well done.
Thank you.
I would really like to invite Mr. Abhishek Anand at this moment, who is Marketing Manager, Education and Stationery Products Business from ITC Limited, to present the cheque of 50,000 rupees and the trophy to our winner today, Anaga. KPMG in India has been appointed as process advisor and official tabulator for Classmates Spell Bee 2014. So that was an exciting second semi-final round. We found just 2 of our finalists with just 2 more places left to fill. So see you the same time next week for more spelling action. But before I go, let me leave you with this thought. No matter how dependent on technology you get, it's always better to spell well than to spell check. You're watching Classmate Spell Bee 2014, presented by Classmate, powered by the Times of India in association with 7Cs, NECC and Air India, education partner Times NIE. This is an initiative by Radio Mirchi.